the project that taught us more than grades. It was the final week of school, and our teacher gave us a big challenge. Work in teams. You have 5 days to create a project. No help from parents. Do it all by yourselves. I looked around and thought, can I really trust myself to finish this? I joined a team with Sarah, David, and Mia. Sarah said, let's set a clear deadline and respect it. We don't want to stress ourselves on the last day. Absolutely, I agreed. And let's be flexible too. Flexibility is important when working in a group. At first, things went well. We met every afternoon. David surprised himself by coming up with an amazing idea, a robot that could water plants by itself. Mia said, you deserve a high grade just for that idea. But on day 3, we had a problem, a big one. Sarah thought Mia hadn't done her part. You said you'd write the script, right? I did, Mia replied. Didn't you check it yourself? Sarah crossed her arms. Are you saying I'm not doing my part? I'm aware of the plan. It's just a misunderstanding, I said quickly. Let's calm down. We don't want to stress ourselves. We decided to review everyone's tasks. David said, I don't think Mia ever said she'd write the whole script by herself. Maybe we misunderstood. True, Sarah admitted. I should have asked instead of blaming. From that point, we helped each other more. We respected everyone's ideas, worked hard, and stayed positive. On the final day, we presented our robot. The teacher looked at us, eyes wide with surprise. Did you really do all of this by yourselves? She asked, almost in disbelief. We nodded, smiling with pride. Yes, I said. We did it all by ourselves. She paused for a moment, then smiled warmly. That's amazing. You were creative, responsible, and confident. You absolutely deserve this grade. I looked at my team. We were tired, but we were proud. We didn't just build a project. We learned something about ourselves.
Like and subscribe to the channel.